Good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff, and let us know what you think of every video. Please watch all the videos, likes, that stuff does a lot. Simple one click, and let's just get straight into this one. So this tracksuit I actually purchased a while ago, so I'm not even sure if it's on sale anymore. It is a Adidas sportswear Juventus hoodie. So it's the real government name is Juventus DNA hoodie. The little label says official licensed product, and then Better Cotton Initiative, all that good stuff, yada yada yada. But yeah, so we've got the full tracksuit here, Juventus logo, Adidas, and then the stripes. We've got joggers here with the same thing, so we've got the Juventus logo and the Adidas logo. The joggers at the bottom, they're not cuffed, they're actually zipped. I don't mind that. I like open hem sometimes. This tracksuit is quite different for me, to be honest, because one, open hem, two, it's got a zip on the hoodie. This is probably one of my only zip hoodies that I have. I really don't like zip hoodies, but Juventus black and white, I thought it was cold. I thought, why not? I need to get my hands on this, so I bought it. Price range was quite cheap, to be honest. The strings white, so it does contrast with the black and white, standard. One thing I really love about Adidas, Adidas does it and no other company really does it, which annoys me, so I'll buy a lot of Adidas now. That good old zip pocket, man. These things are so important. Like, companies don't know. I think it should be against the law to sell joggers that don't have zip pockets. I'll be honest, I love zip pockets. You always need zip pockets. They're just convenient. Anywhere you go, you can just stick it in, zip it up, job done. But yeah, so Juve DNA full zip hood, Juve DNA joggers to match, cold tracksuit. I do have to say though, it is not one of those warm material ones, or should I say, it's not one of them winter ones. This is a thin tracksuit, quite thin joggers, quite a thin hoodie as well. As you can see, it's not the normal hoodie material that we get. It's the thin version, so I'd say it's a summer tracksuit, definitely. Summer evening or something, you just want to hop out quick. Very nice for the summer. Again, thin. Even the hoodie, proper thin hoodie, or the hood I should say, proper thin. Full tracksuit, thin, lightweight, comfortable, of course. Looks good on, but I don't know if you're going to be able to find it, people, man. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. Would you wear it? Obviously at the bottom, some white Air Maxes, some white Air Force Ones, simple ones. But yeah, let me know if you like it. Let me know if you hate it. Let me know if you rate it. I'll try look online to see if I can find a few links. So if anyone's interested, I'll post them below. I'll click the link below in the Discord. Got plenty of videos there locked and loaded for you people. And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.